Pinched nerve and neck treatment at home. 1. Apply ice. Ice reducing swelling. When your joints are inflamed and your nerves are irritated, your body sends blood to the affected parts to assist you to heal. By applying ice a few times a day, you can control the swelling while still allowing your body to cure. 2. Honey and cinnamon. Honey and cinnamon is an excellent home remedy to relieve pinched nerve. The ingredients present in the honey and cinnamon are best to treat the problem. You require honey, cinnamon. How to do it? Make a paste by taking 1 cup of honey and adding cinnamon until the honey thickens a paste. Apply the paste on the affected areas. Leave it on for around 10 minutes. Do this remedy once a day to get rid of pinched nerve and neck. 3. Essential oils. Essential oils such as pepperwood, sandalwood, chamomile and lavender can aid to lessen pinched nerve. You require essential oils. How to do it? Rub or massage gently any essential oil on the affected area. It will help you diminish pain and swelling caused by pinched nerve and neck. 4. Ginger tea. Another remedy that is good for curing pinched nerve is to consume ginger tea. You require ginger. How to do it? Take a fresh piece of ginger and boil it in a cup of water. Steep it for a few minutes. For good taste, you can add some honey into it. Consume this tea to diminish the pain and swelling. 5. Honey and darchini. Honey and darchini can also be used by curing pinched nerve. People in ancient times often used these ingredients to get relief from illness. You require honey, darchini. Take an equal amount of honey and darchini. Mix both the ingredients well to prepare a paste. Apply the paste to the affected areas. Carry on with this home remedy. 6. Get extra sleep. Enjoy extra hours. Sleep is a natural way for your body to heal itself. Make a habit to have extra hour rest sleep at night. A couple hours of extra rest for your body and affected areas will help you decrease your pain. 7. Exercise. Exercise is another fruitful way to provide heal and pinched nerve. Good circulation and toned muscles can assist in curing pinched nerve and neck. Swimming and walking are good exercises to keep you away from this problem. You will get relief from stress and joints by having some exercise.